Now, forewarned weather with Ashley Barassi.
Well, good Tuesday morning, folks. We are looking at some hazy sunshine this morning, but I will say that the air quality has improved since the last few days. And so live look at downtown Detroit does prove that at least we've pushed out the showers, and it is a drier start to what is shaping up to be a pretty terrific Tuesday. Temperature wise, it's a cooler start across the board. We're waking up in the low 50s to mid to upper 50s on the east side, 57 in Grosse Ile, 55 in Monroe City Airport, 53 at Metro, and 55 in Pontiac and Sandusky. So we will be warming up by about 20 degrees into the afternoon. Air quality map. Finally, a day that we don't have widespread yellow and orange that would indicate that the air quality is unhealthy for sensitive groups. We do have a little bit of those fine particles still left over, giving us moderate pollutants in portions of Oakland County, closer to Pontiac, scattered throughout Wayne County and down into Monroe. But for the outlying suburbs, we have some clear air. Now, just a very thin smoke layer up above, and so that's what's giving you a little bit of that filtered sunshine, but a better chance for some of that smoke to work its way in later on today as the winds will be shifting out of the west. And so the pollutants of that smoke that you see coming out of the western Canadian wildfires will be pushing eastward. And so you can see that yellow right here. Watch how that begins to work its way across Lake Michigan and into southeast Michigan by the time we get into tonight. So with a little bit more of that smoke moving in, we could have more vibrant sunsets like this one that was sent to us from Michael via MyPics in West Bloomfield. If you've snapped a photo over the last couple days of some spectacular sunrises, sunsets, or just have that camera ready tonight in hopes that you'll capture another one, you can upload it straight from your phone with our Forewarned Weather app or our Click on Detroit app. And we can show it right here on Local 4, just like that one. So today's forecast, mid-70s. So we'll be just a smidge below average, but talk about comfortable temperatures, and you pair it with some sunshine, a little bit of a breeze. Westerly winds will be picking up midday, with those wind gusts between about 20 to 25 miles per hour. So now let's talk shower chances, because we're relatively dry today. There's just a very slight, slim chance of a light shower. But as I mentioned, I think the sunshine wins out. Tomorrow, dry day, and it will be a lot warmer. But by the time we get to Thursday, especially the afternoon, better chance for a few scattered showers or storms to be building in. We'll hold on to those chances going into early Friday. A little break, and then by the time we get to Saturday afternoon, I think we have another chance for some scattered rain to roll in. So it's going to be this off and on pattern as we're rounding out the rest of the work week. But the next 48 hours should certainly be on a drier note. Now, as far as the weekend, Sunday's probably the pick day as you have more seasonal upper 70s. We will have cloud cover, but at least it'll be a bit drier than what we have on tap for Saturday. And then early next week, we're flirting with 80 by the time we get to Monday. That's your full forecast.